They gotta eat though.
No, wait. YouTube's on.
There's YouTube.
No, we're still doing YouTube.
Is that good, dude? Is that good for YouTube crap?
Well, what's the problem? Let's look. What's the problem? Close it. It's still the same part, huh?
You realize your shit don't matter shit to me, dude.
I have a YouTube account.
Hey, you realize I don't give a fuck, dude. Hey, you know what, dude? My name is Bucket Rancher. Yeah, I live at 10321 East Town Magdalena. Dude, you guys can come fucking test the nuts, dude.
What town do you live in?
Tucson, Arizona, baby.
Oh, where's that?
From bread.
Where's that?
Yeah, you can fuck off. No, seriously, Jimmy, you can fuck off.
I'm sure I can.
Yeah.
Come on, Money.
All y'all motherfuckers know that I'll put your faces in the dirt.
Yeah, we love you, Money. Yeah.
This is why you have full coverage insurance.
I'm sure it is.
I'm sure it is, too.
Or no insurance involved. You want to close your door or what?
Yeah, shut up.
No.
You keep getting that video camera on my face.
I don't have a video camera in your face. I'm looking up fucking porn.
Hey.
Dude, I'm looking porn up.
You keep getting that video camera in my face, dude. They're gonna see another fucking YouTube video.
What's it gonna be?
Me beating your ass, dude.
Is that real?
If you keep that on, dude, take it off me.
I'm not. I'm looking
Take
up
it off
porn.
me.
Christ doesn't matter. Dude, I turn it off, dude. I'm sorry. Turn it off.
Now you want to go back to friends and help me with this shit now instead of...
Well, what do you want, dude? You're screaming at me. You're fucking attacking this stupid thing like an idiot.
And I'm doing good so far.
I don't know what you're doing.
Jackass is trying to be funny.
Oh, you're selling it. I figured, hey, I'll just crunch it in and hammer it in and the door will fit. Now you got this hunk of metal.
I want to get this strip out.
Yeah, you cut that hunk of metal. I didn't cut no hunk of metal, dude.
Bend the fucking thing back. Bend it out.
I didn't cut no hunk of metal, dude. No, man, all I wanted to do was fucking,
You need to come up, because that's just stuff. Watch your finger. That's just stuff your door. Yeah, right there.
I was bending that shit back down.
So bend it back. You already have the stress relief out of here. So just get in there, bend it back, out of the fucking way.
That's all I wanted to do in the first place. We didn't have to cut it.
Watch out.
Ooh, Monty.
School says what?
Cut this shit. Cut all that out.
Sorry, Tom. Sorry.
Come on.
That's nothing. That's nothing.